morning, and I pay ya bill. Aha, baby, you don't need a mom from home. Aha, my own phone home, my own concern. You should be concerned as a Ghanaian. So I am greeting everybody. Baby, will be at me chair and pay. Oman Ghana, Yankasa, and Oman Ghana, Oman Ghani, or Yamin or Wankasa, and Oman Ghana. Messi Oman Ghana, or Yamin or Wankasa, Benazi, Oman Ghana. Inside the pay, my friend check a Simafama, Oman Penny, and I don't Akufo-Addo. Nye na boafa wal boni na mafa ncheka simafama the opposition party NDC nye na boafa wal boni na pay bibi amaziba fa no obeye zin na waye kon na waye boko dama but bibi afata no na yes bibi afata no so yedade ne yezato bibi afata no na yes bibi afata no so yedade ne wezato nti wonderfully mamfa ncheka simfama ma fantastic MC ona bu kodwa akwa me ka tere mo mfa won zema ba pe oda mi chio bibi wo bia na mi che PRO alaji bibi wo bia na mi chio coordinating director Ura Samuel, be showing na, be going na, me chewan. The Jumano, Mr. Wally, Juman about Woma, a quanda down. The Jumani yelly about quiet then, or the Jumano, into my young bombazana, young wage money ye. Young bombazana yedene, young wage money ye. And the payments some be a Bienna Sana be a billionaire. Honorable Kobe Ochedakon, Regional Minister, salutes. Yen library no hin. Yen takrad library no, or hin. Yen takrad library no, or hin fan. Honorable Kobe Ochedakun, Yenta Cross the library no, a himfa, and no war. You will be a library no war. You will be a library no war. You will be a library no war, and say, Pocho, you won't be family, may you be a library no, or may you be a library no, or yes, I have GNC Center for National Culture. It's Mr. One channel so now, one for me. None pay Ideas Technology Limited, fantastic man. Ona we saw Memphis ma Ommfa hu dwumedi no meze bro ma Ommfa hu dwumedi no meze bro yere ka asomdwe asam yere baka asomdwe asam 2020 election I mean now we need peace I mean now we need what peace I mean now we need peace even though COVID-19 why the all money mudun ka kanka sisa campaigns on lokodo because when you see the politicians are look out a cask want to pay and them not start what ye mama start we use one again. Let's start to follow this colors. Woman yamfa odon magana. Woman yamfa odon magana. Na dam kasa na wa start all ba pado no eyi afantini eyi achimni eyi amrenyi eyi nkranyi intabade. Intabade. Asomdwe na yerpe. Asomdwe na yerpe. And this for the country one na moja baba. MPP for the second one, Buja or Baba. Use your mind. Use your mind. I said, use your mind. For what's the fire then? Fire Juma. Ma what's no on your Juma? Wo party. Wo party. Wo party. Me catch all there. Kay hun there. Passports in Penyibi. Passports in Penyibi. We will find our passports. Na kanchama visa. How many of your family members have the passport or the visa? It's one china basa basa yeba obogonejo. These are we borders. Say Sarah, we border. Airplane we in border no. It's we beja what we banako abrochi na kanchao. It's na kroma ha. Na ye ho there. Emeti mzechi yo, mzechi he, mzechi yo. Peace asumje no hien. Asomdwe inu hiame na wo. But still Western region deserves better. Western region deserves better. Western region deserves better. Western region deserves better. Yana kwa na wan ya nto aba no. Sesi ano wa de akopone ka kana wa ya sound political. And zaba was MPP abani was why ni bi CCTV other stations e kwa hwada Western region hala baby what's why ade bi wo e ko do na hwenyi wo ana nam hwe bi wo no TV the northern region baby what's waka ya azo e bo do na hwenyi wo excavated one no osi wo why why wonya wana wo so nyame a won kan no kakre won kan no kwal kakre at least Western region say when you NCNC no when you hu bibi man when you CNC no bibi man when you library no one for man the children are at stake. That is the last message. In the month of one short cry. The children are at stake. Mr. Raman, Ghana Education Service, Private School Association, district education officers, municipal education officers, go and check the health status of all those who are cooking the food for the children. Go and check the health status. One quote if you baby one news man wasn't my hand. Patrons are with this banana one side. One question baby one news man would live for Brian. I don't want to say anything. I am giving you that inspection, you know. One quote, no one question. One shot, one hygiene. One I what be one cup this someone and crack I would do man. Because I'm telling you that some people just had the contract because of their political affiliation. Some people had the contract because of some people they know in the government. That's the reason why in Kofu 1 year it's ban Sabil it's ban Jenjan been was my family one BNB down with the million military. One can check the health status of all the people 1 year it's ban. What check here and Abba measures and what is ban for the water bar. 1 year for that was COVID-19 so to stay as a chara. Take away park and one or park. Precautionary measures been on the year. Or was some answer also man. The sanitizer were hint, the face masks were hint. Have you gone to check all these things? Go and check. You are your foot to numbers and penny for worship. Or you one hot meal for a child and the staff of every school before during and then in your before and during BEC, you know. Or your foot to Madrama one. Or your foot to Madrama one. There must someone allow one question more fun. One shot one away it's ban, baby away it's ban with the fee. One shot fear, one shot one in chance with the team, baby away in that one inspecting in our Obia, one Jim finish him. They been one messing there. They just had the contract because of their political affiliation. Obinimo wa, we because of to someone they know. We because of Obia way the name. We know, Mr. One and penny for one sir, one more pisa. Now one call. Na one kwa hwehwe echi na mofama adza aban ye da ozuma mofama de adwene papa ne mbom ebia na wasana ka fa ye ba foforo bi na za abra mofama ntim sraman wona nyizi ma wonko na wonka check it ban ahro no if you private school teachers me wona won komo wo men twetwem komo private school teachers association wo men twetwem komo ana wonya association private school teachers wonya association ma or private school association and that's it me ye what's why you change then abanama private school teachers no and I'm private schools no bibi kakra for bibi hon one and sana na once want to watch one staff na because private school teachers with your dues and private schools with your dues it's your VAT it's your tax so she buy any bi it's a private school association pay for one more one private schools association for one especially western region for no one more one na 1 year juma and then them is out for mama mess then there man kwechil crowd because Ribinti. Now, I'm not a football person. But I see what you can be. Yet, now what's the question? You want to check this car, Brazil. Sikawo, GFO, what is it? But Ghanaian stadiums on Yejma. Sports stadiums, what's Ghana had now? Papa Biara him. Order on the front of ball lights into Munso. Equa, a Sipuna, sports stadium, I suppose, sports stadium. When they go in and want to feed them, I know Monyo Sikalba, cash is coming. The Mama Cafe, one woman young who know, Yanko Pony for the Muniazi. One penny for what and Zamasha once our Ganakuma. 1 year. That Obila cuts no foam. Allowance, some what saying, but some about allowance 12,000. 120 million Ghana cedis. Hey! What actually did you do? What actually are you going to do for the nation? You see all these things? What am one cat? Obi Allen cat hypocrisy. Young cat because of Obey busy. You been your bina yezi. As at now, a footballer of this country, a footballer of Premier League, the salary remove 500 cedis. Obi Obo Premier League waha, the salary onul 500 Ghana cedis. Now so it's in a chrome ha. Yabama. President of GFA, 120 million a month. No, a cousin can and come home. Never charge 7,000. Now, executive members now 4,000. Bosum biala. Bosum biara. Nti Ghana basa na akọ n'enyim. Yɛbɛgye Ghana cap yɛbɛgye bi nyɛn. Yɛbɛgye cap bi wɔ Ghana ha. We are maka no hypocrisy. Enyimber adwembwan. Nyankopɔn bɛgye nyinaa. The God of heaven na one was all heaven or bɛgye nyinaa. Ɔmo sɛ yɛn suban. But still Western region deserves better. Agenda is still going on. If you want to join the Western region deserves better page. Western region deserves better page. Go Facebook. I go Facebook. Western region deserves better page. Western region deserves better page. No. Western region deserves better page. No. Wagona. Hey, baby will be a seshi. Western region contains that. As the biara or koda onko yenu for to them page ndo. Yem post yem penny for obenye bi na wa hwe. Western region deserves better page, on the Facebook, on the wall account, corner for to do. And if ideas page now, post to be talk. Send him. WhatsApp. You want to join Western region deserves better. I maybe I shall zaman koye yewa. We go to my basa yewa, sanitation koye, rain you walk, take then be a new walk, now so about to about wewa. First send him 0279065137. First send him 0279 065137. If you want to join the page, 0279 065137. No political issues. One ka politics wo ho. Yanka politics wo me ye MPP me ni ye Ghana fo. Ye baka sa da Ghana fo. Ye le bana ye baka sa da Ghana fo. Ye le bana ye baka sa da Ghana fo. Intimo pocho wo so bra 0279 065137. 0279 065137. Ministry of Information, Accra. Why you meet the press? You must say, "Okay, you be taking is a brown one. You be taking is a brown one." Mobile phone and computer repairer, Ideas Creation, Ideas Technology Limited. Ideas Technology Limited. I will talk about it if you come VIP. Talk about it if you come VIP. I want to. I took my bus stop. Talk about it if you come bus stop. Ideas Creation mum no VIP. Ideas TV mum no VIP. Now Ideas Technology ano if you come bus stop. Lower Pra Bank literally no maybe better or you're fine. President of Ghana Football Association, 12,000 Ghana cedis. Ghana be yenya. I'm opinion if it will be a chill. We still need our library. Oh yeah, Western Regional President, the Regional Minister, Honorable Kobe Ochidako. Maybe will be catching on be a washer than party be a young chairman. Who washer than party be a young chairman, Honorable Kobe Ochidako, don't catch it. Young library no. Wakada will buy a library now was a man. And use my yako who library or yako to sports. If I got to places that whatever rent man for your programs, what your weddings. Saturdays be a good chemo I want for your weddings or for you or but library Nankasade, honorable Kobe. And then they basically will get into 1 year another. I stand to be corrected but still, yes, I'm kind. And then you're better Star of the Sea Cathedral, Takrade, Star of the Sea, Takrade Roman, no put it. IPM Sedan, when I was in my hey, my man said for me, could be a hair shop or on your fine. Where is the library? One for library in Brian, number from one baby and was yard. Western region deserves better. Cocoa roots, go and do the cocoa roots so that cocoa from so one Bama. Go and do cocoa roots. I'm Roberts too, beside the Open as and Gua. And one more man when you man, the man I don't bother give the young boys work to do. Give the young boys work to do. Obi a cocoa farmer, Bosusa, no cocoa, away on Yashi. That means the main Akape, obey cases, obey Basaba. But still, Western region deserves better. And Pocho, separate a join Western region page now. Page or a new page and a piano creative. Echo Facebook about Western region deserves better. Now Western region I am WR capital ne deserves better no. Yeah they at your Western region deserves better. Nti won komo bia wo bia no etum do to etum share page no bia so nyene on your bina. Okay. But select join the Facebook page 0279065137 0279065137. Peaceful Ghana ne yehwehwe. No NDC no MPP. No MPP, no NDC, no CPP. You know, Ghana for you got to put them in. You got so cool them. Ghana Blacks are about matching is a chukr. Let's put that one. You want to this equal. Name up as some Umbra Oman Ghana. I'm from Manu Zin and French Cassim from Langsam Papa Isaac. Mensa baby will be a da. Mesna Yankopon on Tunkum wasn't. Not Josephine Sassa, the mother of all mothers in Chancomo and Estina. Check us in a long common. You know, I don't want to be able to check us in a long common. And a boys in our Michobia. Check us in Comobia. On Rudin. Shout out to you. Shout out to you. Shout out to you. Edumana Elbono. Edumana Elbono. Edumana Elbono. That still Western region deserves better. I'll trust you, Western Asia.